back to my channel, Nurse Sonia, and for today we'll be tackling about if your 30-day visa to work, study, or join the family has expired. So what to do? And before this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel para you are all aware and you are all updated from my newest uploaded video. If ever you already have the UK visa and about to be deployed, but unfortunately it was cancelled because of this pandemic crisis, so don't worry because we have a good news for you, and the UK government has a good news for you. They just published on their site that if your 30-day visa to travel to the UK for work or study or to join the family has expired, you are free of charge. I'm very happy with that because if you will pay for the extension of your visa, it will cost around 10,000 pesos. So it is a great help for us, especially those who are about to be deployed, because we have to save money for our future expenses. So that is a great news. So how to replace your 30-day visa? Ayan. To make a request, contact the Coronavirus Immigration Help Center. That is now here in the screen, and you'll need to include your name, your nationality, date of birth, and your GWF reference. Your GWF reference can be found on the email that was sent to you when you are registering your visa or when you are applying for your visa. There will be a receipt, and in that receipt you can find GWF reference. And don't forget to put the subject line and put the replacement 30-day visa. Ayan. Replacement 30-day visa. That's the subject line that will be included on your email in the Coronavirus Immigration Help Center. All of the link and all of the site that I am telling you now will be included here in our description area. If you've already contacted them about this, please give them an email, okay? For those who are already contacted the Coronavirus Immigration Help Center, kindly send them an email again for them to be updated, and also for the details that should be included. You'll be contacted when our VACs reopen to arrange the replacement visa. So ito po ibig sabihin ng VAC, to be endorsed in your passport for being unable to collect our BRP, because you know, after being deployed we are supposed to get our BRP in the UK, but unfortunately our deployment was delayed. So no worries with that because there will be no, don't worry about that because there will be no penalty. This process will be in place until the end of 2020. So if you have a visa that's about to expire on the October, November, December, basta lahat or all of the dates that was included on the year 2020, they are under this update. We are still free of charge in the replacement of 30-day visa because of this. So we are very thankful in the UK government, even though there are some delays, but we know that this is God's perfect time. So keep the faith, guys, and don't forget to pray for our future. Ayan. Always pray for the frontliners as well and those who are saving lives. Ayan. Di lang sa mga healthcare workers, but also all of the frontliners that are helping us here on our pandemic crisis. So guys, that's for now, and please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and click the ring, ding, or the bell button to keep updated on my newest uploaded video. Thank you so much and keep safe, always wash your hands, and God bless.